Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Moroccan flan. Start by making the caramel, which is crucial for that beautiful golden top. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, resisting the urge to stir. Watch as it transforms into a rich, amber-colored liquid. Once it reaches this perfect hue, carefully pour it into your flan mold, ensuring the bottom is evenly coated. This step sets the stage for a truly delicious Moroccan flan. Next, we prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk 4 large eggs together with 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light and frothy. In a separate saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring it doesn't boil. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent them from scrambling. This creates a smooth, rich base for your flan. Now it's time to bake your flan to perfection. Carefully pour the prepared custard mixture over the cooled caramel in your mold. Place this mold into a larger baking dish. Fill the larger dish with hot water, creating a bain-marie, which ensures even cooking. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the center is just set. This gentle baking method yields a silky smooth texture. The final steps are all about chilling and serving. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature. This gradual cooling is important. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight to allow it to set perfectly. When ready to serve, carefully invert the mold onto a serving plate. The luscious caramel will beautifully cascade over the smooth flan, creating a stunning presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.